Let's see how we can use the find and replace feature of Microsoft PowerPoint. Find and replace feature. So I want to replace all these symbols here with a different value or different variable. So you can just press Control, that is hold down the Control key and press F on your Windows machine. So I want to find this value, so I'll type it here. So I want to replace it with X. So I can press the replace here, then I'll type the X here. So when I click find and replace, you see when I click find, it goes to locate all the values that are here. Now when I press replace, it will replace all these values, with the one that is here. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe.